So, nandito na tayo ngayon no, sa rally at tayo ay dinayo ng from Sweden, Switzerland, it's like worldwide, no? Finland, lahat na, yan sila, from Canada, from Denmark, ang dami, no? Kahit umuulan, no? And also, I just know that we have here our friend from Sweden, and he's also here to support Tatay Digong. So what we will do now is we will ask him why
so of course
he
we have
support
to flex kung ano
Tatay
yung
Digong Duterte.
natin today.
Sir, nice meeting you, sir. So he got that, no? He got a tattoo. No? What's your name, sir?
Michael.
Michael. Yeah. Where you came from?
Sweden.
Yeah, from Sweden.
Yeah.
So, are you married to a Filipina?
Oh yeah, many times.
Yeah. So we know that you're here, and of course, obviously, we saw that you're supporting Tatay Digong.
Oh yeah.
And why did you support him?
Because my wife
Yeah.
supported him. A nice family supported him.
Yeah. And your wife talk about you and told about you, or you're also aware what happened when Tatay Digong was the president of the Philippines?
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
From the beginning.
Oh, from the beginning. Na. So, what can you say if you have something like message? Because we don't know, someday this video can reach Tatay Digong Duterte. What can you say?
One more time.
And what can you say if you've given a chance? Maybe someday, maybe your message can reach Tatay Digong. What you would like to say to him?
Visa din tatwearing.
Oh,
Yeah, he already.
I wish that he could
Yeah,
go
bring
home.
him home. Yeah,
bringing home.
yeah,
Yes.
yeah. And what you like to say? Any message to his family?
God bless.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you very much, sir, for also supporting Tatay Digong and all the way from Sweden.
I wish them all well. I wish them the best.
Yeah. You wish him the best. Yeah. So thank you very much, sir. Thank you for supporting. And yeah. So we will focus again the Duterte. Yeah. DDS. This is a DDS Duterte diehard supporter. Sweden.
Yeah.
Sweden? Yeah, you should put another S there. And you will be the founder of Duterte diehard supporters Sweden.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, sir. And
Thank you.
nice meeting you, nice knowing you. And from the bottom of my heart, thank you for the support to our former president. Thank you, sir. Thank you. So, ayan no. Ayan mensahe ng isa sa nakilala natin dito from Sweden. Although I have noticed na medyo may sakit siya, pero still he was able to came to support, to show support to Tatay Digong. Mabuhay Pilipinas, Duterte pa rin.
Draw na naman tayo for